back to my channel. It's your girl Rocksy, and I'm back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you're hitting that bell so that you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you this wig review on this hair that I got from elvahairwigs.com. Here is the packaging. So I've had this hair for quite some time. I would say at least a good month or so, and I'm finally getting around to doing this review. This is a hair that I actually purchased myself. But the reason why it took me so long to do this review is because other companies were sending me like curly wig reviews, and I didn't want to just have like a series, a whole bunch of like curly wig reviews. So I was just like, okay, you know what, the one that I got myself, I'm just gonna set that aside, and I'll do it at a later date. So that later date is about like a month or 2 months from now. But anyways, not that you guys care or anything. So this is a curly unit. Let me see what comes in here. So they give you like this stocking cap thing here, and then here's a picture of like different YouTubers who do reviews on their hair and so forth. And then it has like a little information booklet right here. I'm not quite sure what the curl pattern is that I have of this unit, but I'll definitely be sure to leave that in the description box and let you guys know all the deets and specs about this unit. So I didn't wash this hair, and I feel like I may want to wash it. I don't like the smell of that. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Now, the great thing that I love about Elvahair wigs is that a lot of their units already come pre-plucked. So here is what this looks like. Oh geez. Here's what it looks like up close and personal. I mean, you can pluck it more if you'd like. Like if it was wet, you'd be able to see a little bit more of the, there we go. All right, you guys see that. So this has it's your standard construction, but this actually has 4 clips. So there's 2 on the side, like right here. I would say it's kind of like in the middle-ish, but on the side. There's one right up in the center, and then there's one in the back with your adjustable straps. This unit looks like it is big head friendly, and this is a 360 lace, so you can put this up in a ponytail or whatever you would like. The length doesn't look that long to me, so we're about to see what it looks like. I have my, where is my water bottle? Okay, I know I brought it somewhere, but I don't see it right now. All right, well, I don't see my spray bottle, but I'm gonna go ahead and get that because we're gonna need that for the review. It's driving me crazy, you guys, because I could have sworn I put it here, but whatever. So I have my Nairobi mousse, and then I have extra water that I forgot to drink a couple of days now, so I'm gonna use that. And then I have my Got2b Blue spray. My scissors just fell. I already did the stocking cap method, as you guys can see. In my opinion, when you do the stocking cap method, like the units just lay so much nicer. Like, and I've noticed such a huge difference versus when I don't do it. But I love the stocking cap method. Like I kind of swear by it. But all you do is you put the stocking cap on, you spray. I just sprayed the Got2b glue spray, and then I cut around the perimeter, and then so it's like really flat up in here. So you guys, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this review, and I hope you guys enjoy. final look right here. I just kind of had it like a flip over method, but let me go ahead and pull it back together for you guys. So just a couple things that I have to say about this lovely, gorgeous hair, y'all. Like, this hair is lit. I absolutely am in love with this hair. Now, I did go off camera to kind of fix the baby hairs and to also fix the harsh light line from the stocking cap, because the stocking cap is actually a little bit too light. I have like a medium brownish one that I should have used, but I couldn't find it, so that's why I ended up using a lighter stocking cap. So therefore what I did was I went ahead and just applied some makeup to that and some more Got2b glue sprayed, and this is what she is looking like now. But I mean, check out this hairline, y'all. Like, I did not do any kind of plucking whatsoever. I apologize, my phone. But I did not do any kind of plucking whatsoever with this hair. It's already pre-plucked. And then I went ahead and applied water all throughout. It's kind of like drying up now, but I mean, you can just kind of keep applying it on there. I do have this conditioner right here. It is by Giovanni. It is a weightless moisture conditioner. Now, if you use this, it'll keep your hair looking like it's wet all day. It kind of like hardens the curls just a little bit, but it's just like really perfect. I didn't want to go ahead and apply that now, simply because I kind of wanted to do some different styles with this unit and show you guys how pretty these curls are. But yeah, let me just go ahead and apply some water so you guys can see. She was drying up on me a little bit. I applied a whole lot of my mousse on there, but yeah. And then if you like the dry look, then I mean, you can have it just looking dry if you want, but I kind of like, I don't know, I'm just in between. Like, I like this look, but I also love like how it looks when the hair is wet. So this is what we are working with. Absolutely love this hair. Spraying it just a little bit more for you guys so you guys can see. The reason why it got dry so fast is because, well, not so fast, I was actually recording on Snapchat and taking pictures because I was really digging this hair, y'all. But anyway, y'all can see this is it. You can I kind of like the flip over method because it just looks so natural with the flip over method. Like, look at this, y'all. So cute. Look at that. That just looks so natural to me. Like, I just love it. Like, curls, I think curls are my thing. Like, I can never go wrong with curls ever. Like, it just always works out for me. Like, I'm never nervous about how it's gonna turn out or any of that. I just feel like it just always works for me. So I think curls are my thing. And plus, Bae loves curls on me. Like, he just likes curls on me. But anyways, you can just never go wrong. And then you can also put it like in a ponytail and leave the sides out like so. This is if you wanted to do like a look like that. But I kind of like it with the flip over method. Like, that's definitely my thing. I love it. I love it. And you can do like the half up, half down, which is what I was gonna go with, but I kind of liked the way it looked like that. But I'll take some pictures with it half up, half down and post it for you guys. That is all that I have for you guys today. Again, I did get this hair from elvahairs.com. I'll be leaving all the deets and specs down in the description box below. And this wig is super affordable, you guys, like super freaking affordable. So like I said, definitely check them out. They have a whole lot of different curl patterns. Like for hair, I just love their hair. Now, I haven't tried any of their like straighter units. I feel like it would be just as good. Like, I just think they do a bomb, like, diggity job with their hair. But yeah, definitely stay tuned, you guys. I'll be back with more videos pretty soon, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.